Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman. Today we've got a 2024 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. This is a 4-stroke Mercury 115 horsepower engine. One thing I can point out about the engine is it does have the command thrust lower unit on it. That's the same lower unit that's used on the 150 horsepower Mercury motors. Plenty enough power. It's got your boarding ladder back here on the back. Platinum color on the exterior. Let's take a look at some of the features on the inside. Back here we have the fuel fill cap. Very easy to get to. These are removable backrests. One on the port and the starboard side. These seat cushions do remove, so if you'd like to use those as steps without the cushions, you can. Console has got a flip-flop seat, so you can sit facing rearward or forward. As you notice, it does have the high rails, plenty of safety for staying inside the boat or for smaller children. On the dash, you've got a 9-inch SimRad screen. It'll show you the map of the lake, bottom contour, fish finder. Has the SimRad VHF radio installed, and it does have your stereo system, Bluetooth capability. Moving up into the bow area, it's got the bow filler cushion. That's an optional accessory that it comes with. It does have the cooler with the seat. Rod holders on the backrest here on the console. Has a real nice grab handle here on the console as well. And you'll also notice it does also have the bib in the top. That should complete some of the features on the Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. If you'd like to see this boat or anything else by MarineMax Lake Norman, we'd be glad to show it to you.